Hey, my name is Christian Montalvo. This video is for Bio 240, week number 6, digestive system. So today we're gonna find out what happened to the food once it enters our body. So we're gonna get close to this picture that we have here, and we're gonna go through some of the main structures of it. The first one we have here is the mouth, which is right here. The mouth is the beginning of the digestive tract. In fact, digestion starts there, and chewing breaks the food into pieces that are more easily digested, while saliva mixes with food to begin the process of breaking it down into a form that our body can absorb and use. Then we go down here. We're gonna find out the pharynx, or also called throat. The throat is the next destination for food. From here, food travels to the esophagus or swallowing tube. So the esophagus is this structure right here, from the pharynx all the way down to the stomach. The esophagus is a muscular tube extending from the pharynx to the stomach by means of a series of contractions called peristalsis. The esophagus delivers food to the stomach just before the connection. Just before the connection to the stomach, there's a zone of high pressure called the lower esophageal sphincter. This is a valve meant to keep food from passing backward into the esophagus. So that sphincter is right here. Then the next big structure is the stomach. The stomach is a sac-like organ. We can see it right here. And in addition to holding the food, it is also a mixer and a grinder. The stomach secretes acid and powerful enzymes that continue the process of breaking down the food when it leaves the stomach. Food is consistency of a liquid or paste. From here, the food moves to the small intestine. In the small intestine, it's everything that we have in here. The small intestine is made up of 3 fragments, which is the duodenum, jejunum, and the ileum. And we can find all 3 here. See, we can find the duodenum here. Then we have the jejunum here. And then in the bottom here, we can find the ileum. And the small intestine continues the process of breaking down food by using enzymes released by the pancreas and bile from the liver. Bile is a compound that aids in the digestion of fat and eliminates waste products from the blood. Peristalsis is also at work in this organ, moving food through and mixing it up with digestive secretions. The duodenum is largely responsible for continuing the process of breaking down food, with the jejunum and ileum being mainly responsible for the absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream. And then after that, we move into the next. I want to talk about 3 organs that play a vital role in helping the stomach and small intestine to digest food. They are also part of the digestive system, but they also are part of the other system, which is we can find the pancreas, which is right here, then the liver, which is this one right here, and the gallbladder, which is this little thing here. Then once the nutrients have been absorbed and the leftover liquid has passed through the small intestine, what is left of the food that we ate is handed over the large intestine, or also known as colon. And it's this structure right here. This colon is a 5 to 6 foot long muscular tube that connects the cecum. It is made up of this column is made up of the cecum, the descending colon, the transverse colon. So we have here the cecum, ascending colon, transverse colon, and then we have the descending colon here. And here we also can find the sigmoid colon, which is connected to the rectum. Then we have in this colon a stool or waste left over from the digestive process is passed through the colon by means of peristalsis, first in a liquid state and ultimately in a solid form as the water is removed from the stool. Then we can find the rectum. The rectum, right here. The rectum is this part over here. The rectum is an 8-inch chamber that connects the colon to the anus. It is the rectum job to receive stool from the colon to let us know there is a stool to be evacuated and to hold the stool until evacuation happens. When anything, gas or stool comes into the rectum, sensors send a message to the brain. The brain then decides if the rectal contents can be released or no. If they can, the sphincter muscles relax and the rectum contracts. The spelling is contents. Then the last part of the digestive system, where's all that waste in food and all processed food, it gets eliminated, is the anus, which is this structure right here. The anus is the last part of the digestive tract. It consists of the pelvic floor muscles and the two anal chambers. The internal sphincter keeps us from going to the bathroom when we are asleep or other unaware of the presence of stool. When we get an urgent to go to the bathroom, we rely on our external sphincter to keep the stool in until we can get to the toilet. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.